All right, guys. So this is getting closer to done. We now have a working way to insert posts and also view the posts here. One thing you'll notice is that we've got posts by two different people. So how Meteor should handle this in React and FlowRouter, we're going to modify our home component a little bit to be able to use a different route. So I'm going to go into my router file here, FlowRouter, and let's name the route posts by and then user. So the colon here basically means that what follows is going to be the name of a variable, and we can use that variable by accessing params. So what I'm going to do is name the route posts, and the action, and we're going to pass params to the action, is going to be render view. I'm going to reuse the home component here, but I'm also going to pass it in with user property, and that's going to be equal to params.user. And so now I'm going to close this component and end that with a semicolon. I actually need to, that got a little displaced there. Silly issue. When we create new routes, we need to type flowrouter.route. All right. So what we need to do now is we need to make this a conditional if we're on, basically in the router we're passing a user property here, but we're not here. So we can use this to identify if we're on this route. So what I'm going to do is here in the get posts method, I'm going to say if this.props.user, we're going to return posts find, where the user is equal to this.props.user. I'm going to fetch those. Else, we're just going to return all the posts. So if I go back here and refresh this, I'm going to see when I view posts by Nick that these are the only results I get. And when I view posts by Pete, these are the only posts I get. And still accessing the home page, I will get all of the posts. And so you can see how you can really reuse components here to be able to serve conditional data. Now, that's basically all Meteor is. It's very simple and straightforward. Using with React and FlowRouter, I really recommend it. It's much faster. The it's basically quicker to do everything. It's quicker to develop, it's quicker to browse, and it makes your app faster in general. So I hope you guys found this video informative. I know it's a bit longer than the other ones, and so hopefully the next few videos will be shorter. I think they will. And I'm actually going to provide this code to you guys through GitHub. So right now we're going to be combining a bit of what we've been doing. So I'm going to go to github.com. I'm going to create a new repository here, and I'm going to call it Meteor React Tutorial. And let's initialize it with a README file. And then, all the usual stuff. So from right in the directory here, type git init, git remote, add origin. Oh, I need to paste that URL here. I'm going to close WebStorm so that we can get rid of the .idea directory. Okay, so we can just use the regular rm rf idea there. And then we're going to run git ignore idea / git add a git commit m. The message is going to be example Meteor React stuff, and git push origin master. There we go. If I refresh this, we should see, yep. So here is the entire Meteor project that we just created. You can find it at github.com/nickgermain/meteor-react-tutorial. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys found it informative. If a bit long, hopefully the next set of videos should be a bit shorter.